In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn profile picture. If you want your LinkedIn profile to look more complete and professional, adding a profile photo is one of the easiest and most important updates you can make. A clear photo helps people recognize you, makes your profile feel more trustworthy, and can create a stronger first impression when someone visits your page. To get started, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Once you're signed in, open your personal profile page so you can see your current profile header and photo area. This is the main place where you'll manage how your profile appears to other people on the platform. When you're on your profile, click your profile picture. If you haven't added one yet, this may appear as a blank image or placeholder. Clicking the picture opens the photo settings, where LinkedIn gives you options for viewing, editing, or replacing your current image. This is the section you'll use anytime you want to make changes to your profile photo in the future. Next, click on Update. This option allows you to replace your existing photo or add a new one if your profile doesn't currently have an image. If you're updating an older picture, this is a good time to make sure your new photo looks current and appropriate for the way you want to present yourself professionally. After that, click on Upload Photo and select the image from your computer. Browse to the folder where your photo is saved, choose the file you want to use, and confirm your selection. Once the image uploads, LinkedIn may give you a chance to adjust the framing so your face is centered and clearly visible. If that option appears, take a moment to position the photo neatly, since a well-cropped image usually looks better on your profile. As a quick tip, try to choose a photo that is clear, well-lit, and easy to recognize. A simple background and a professional or friendly expression usually work well for LinkedIn. It's also a good idea to use an image where your face is the main focus, since profile pictures are often displayed at a small size, and that's it. Once your photo is uploaded, your LinkedIn profile will immediately look more polished and complete. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a LinkedIn profile picture.